Right, it's Darren. Well, it's certainly a wintry tale. It was a slippery, slidey drive into work earlier on this morning, and there's some more snow to come, certainly for the southeastern corner of the country. This is the way things were earlier on. The temperature at Aviemore fell to minus 18 degrees, and only recently it's struggled up to minus 12 degrees, would you believe? We're not alone, of course. Across the continent, we've seen temperatures pretty low recently. We've seen temperatures below minus 30, and even this morning, temperatures as low as minus 20 or minus 22 degrees. The wind's coming in from the east, of course, across this country, around that area of high pressure. But it is going to change. As we head in towards the weekend, that area of high pressure slips slowly down south, and as it does so, it's going to allow this milder weather to come in from the Atlantic. So very gradually, we'll see that change coming down from the north. To begin with, though, we have some pretty hard frosts across most parts of the country, certainly for the next couple of nights or so. But then as we move in towards the weekend, you can watch the way the frost retreats and this much milder weather moves into northern parts of the country. Very mild indeed come the end of the weekend or beginning of next week. Now, a little bit of cloud at the moment across the east of the country. That's giving the odd flurry of snow. We also have some flurries of sleet and snow across the west country, but most parts of the country are going to be dry and bright with a fair amount of sunshine. The exception, as we've just seen more particularly, is that southwestern corner of the country. Gale force winds there, but also a fair amount of cloud. That's giving snow over the moors and some rain or sleet around the coast. But bitterly cold everywhere. Temperature staying well below freezing across much of Scotland, only just a shade above across the south, but of course we have that strong east to southeasterly wind over the southernmost part of the country. So although those temperatures look as if they're just above freezing, if you're out and about, I can assure you it'll feel as if it's well below freezing, certainly bitterly cold indeed. Now then, this evening and tonight we've got a bit of a problem because it looks as if more snow is going to come across the southeastern corner of the country. It'll start off, I think, with just a few flurries and lightish showers along that eastern coast, but as time goes on through this southeastern part, those flurries get heavier and more extensive, and I think we'll end up by having a couple of centimetres, 2 to 5 centimetres even across that southeastern part of the country. Very cold everywhere, widespread and hard frost. Tomorrow we have that snow across the southeast. Very gradually that'll move westwards, but probably fizzling out at the same time. The odd shower continuing along the coast. Otherwise, away from that area, it's going to be another dry and bright day with a good deal of sunshine, but very cold again, temperatures barely above freezing. Very similar, I think, on Thursday. Again, we could see some flurries of snow or sleet across the southeastern corner. Otherwise, hard frost and then some sunshine.